Welcome to Tripedia, where we explore the captivating island of Puerto Rico, a top-rated destination for travelers from around the world. With its stunning beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture, Puerto Rico offers a truly unforgettable experience. So get ready for a virtual adventure filled with breathtaking landscapes, immersive history, and unforgettable moments. El Moro Fort, or Fuerte San Felipe del Moro. El Moro Fort is the major attraction in Old San Juan and one of Puerto Rico's top tourist destinations. This 1539 fort, set majestically out on a peninsula, is a fascinating journey back in time. Wander through this national park's well-kept grounds and imagine what life would have been like here over 500 years ago. Explore the dungeons, walkways, ramps, and tunnels, much of which was created in the mid to late 19th century. Ascend to the top of the walls and walk out to one of the guard towers for spectacular views of the ocean and Old San Juan, with the new city towering behind. El Moro is only a short walk from the old city. Come early in the morning when the weather is cooler. El Moro is illuminated at night and provides for excellent photography. Castillo de San Cristobal. Castillo de San Cristobal is a must-see, hidden in plain sight but still in the shadow of the more famous El Moro. Bring your walking shoes because San Cristobal is considerably larger than El Moro. In fact, it is the largest Spanish fort ever constructed in the Americas. The Castillo de San Cristobal is a fascinating spot to see. 5 different defensive sections are joined with moats and tunnels and stretched across 27 acres for defensive purposes. National Forest El Junque. El Junque National Forest provides a glimpse of Puerto Rico's rich inland beauty. El Junque National Forest, which stretches along the Luquillo Mountains, including Pico El Junque, is home to the only tropical rainforest in the national U.S. forest system. El Junque National Forest is one of Puerto Rico's most prominent natural attractions, and it is frequently included in tours departing from San Juan. El Junque National Forest's key sites include La Coca Falls, Yoka Tower, Bao Grande, Bao de Oro, and La Mina Falls. La Coca Falls, located alongside the highway, has an 85-foot cascade into rock formations and is the first significant site visitors will see in El Junque. Vieques and bioluminescent Bay Vieques, located 8 miles from the mainland of Puerto Rico, has grown into a popular beach resort with small, upscale hotels, restaurants, boutiques, and galleries. After the U.S. Army left the island in 2003, Vieques shifted its priority to tourism. Beautiful beaches are now accompanied by a quality tourism infrastructure that draws both Puerto Ricans and foreign visitors who take the time to visit the island. There are no huge hotels or high-rise residential buildings. Vieques, the largest of the Spanish Virgin Islands, is 21 miles long and 5 miles wide, although it retains a small island vibe. A Catedral de San Juan Bautista. The Catedral de San Juan Bautista, also known as the Cathedral of San Juan, is one of Puerto Rico's most important religious sites, dating back to 1540. The cathedral is well known as the ultimate resting site of Ponce de León, the Spaniard who set out in search of the Fountain of Youth. One of the church's lesser-known facts is that it is the second oldest construction in the Western Hemisphere. However, thanks to the great support of its parishioners, the church has aged nicely. Inside, it's spotless, and the stained glass windows shine as brightly as the day they were made. Cayo Icacos. With so many lovely beaches on the mainland, it may appear unusual to want to hop on a boat and visit another. However, don't let that deter you from doing one of the best things to do in Puerto Rico. Cayo Icacos, famed for its beautiful beach, is roughly a 20 to 30-minute boat ride from Fajardo, a small hamlet on the island's northeast coast. Cayo Icacos is part of the La Cordillera Nature Reserve, so there is no development. It is as close to a desolate island as you can get. Rio Kumai Caves, or Parque de las Cavernas del Rio Kumai. The Rio Kumai Cave Park is a 268-acre cave system that is claimed to be the world's 3rd largest cave system. A trolley bus brings visitors to the Cueva Clara Empalme, a 200-foot-deep cave or sinkhole that has been protected. The caves have a variety of rooms, some with extraordinarily high ceilings, stalagmites and stalactites, and rivers rushing along the bottom. Visitors are led on a guided tour of the Cueva Clara Empalme. In addition to the natural wonders presented by the cave system, it's worth noting that the caves were long used by the local population. Isla Verde. Verde is ideal for all-inclusive travelers looking for good resorts and a decent beach close to a major airport. Everything an overworked, sun-seeking, beach-loving vacationer could want, minus Puerto Rican culture, can be found right here. Isla Verde is a tropical getaway with all the luxuries, with calm waters flanked by a white sand beach and backed by palm trees and resorts. This region is a San Juan suburb, and visitors wishing to get away from the resort without traveling too far will discover the historic streets of Old San Juan just a short taxi ride away. Similarly, El Junque National Rainforest can be done as an excursion for a quick retreat from the beach. Condado Beach. Condado Beach is a beach location in Old San Juan that is similar in nature to Isla Verde. The beach is bordered with condo and hotel complexes, making for a vibrant setting with some of the best people watching in the city. Condado Beach is a little beach with golden sand washed by the mild ocean seas. For a large expanse of sand, travel east towards Punta Piedrita. This place hums because of what's returned from the ocean. The city's Condado neighborhood is contemporary and affluent, with Michelin-rated chefs cooking up the newest trendy delicacies and upmarket businesses showcasing the latest designs in clothing and home decor. Seven Seas Beach. Seven Seas Beach is a peaceful beach with clear, tranquil waves and excellent facilities. The beach is family-friendly, with picnic tables, restrooms, food stands, and simple parking located just back from the sand. The sand is golden brown and the beach slopes gently. The swimming area is cordoned off and boats are not permitted. The western part of the beach is the nicest. The eastern end can be rocky. Thank you for joining us on our travels around the world with Tripedia. We hope that our videos have given you a glimpse into the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet. We believe that travel is not just about ticking off destinations on a bucket list, but about immersing yourself in new cultures, meeting new people, and creating unforgettable memories. As you continue your own journey, we encourage you to explore with an open heart and an open mind. Whether you're traveling solo, with friends, or with family, every trip is a chance to learn, grow, and connect with the world around you. Thank you for being a part of the Tripedia community, and we look forward to continuing to share our adventures with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips. Until next time, safe travels.